Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's Django deep dive, we are going to optimize database queries using two powerful tools, select underscore related and prefetch underscore related. These are not just performance tricks, they are must-know tools for any Django developer, especially if you are preparing for interviews or building real-world apps. So they are must-know tools for any Django developer. So we will break down what they are, how they work, and how most importantly when and why to use them using a real e-commerce model setup. So these are the questions we are cover in this section. So here question arises, what is select underscore related? Use the select underscore related used when you are following foreign key or one-to-one relationship. Guys, notes each and everything. You will use select underscore related when you are following foreign key or one-to-one relationship. The select underscore related, it performs a SQL join and fetch related objects in a single query. And when to use prefetch underscore related, used when you are following reverse foreign key many to many, or when Django needs to execute a separate query and join in Python. So when to use select underscore related and when to use prefetch underscore related. Select underscore related used when you are following foreign key or one-to-one relationship. The one point. The next is it performs a SQL join and fetch related object in a single query. First of all, it will use on foreign key or one-to-one relationship, and it performs basically the select underscore related perform an SQL join query. Uh, in SQL we have an joins concept, inner join, outer join, left join, right join. So in it performs select underscore related performs a SQL join and fetch related objects in a single query. On the other hand, prefetch underscore related used when you are following reverse foreign key many to many, or when Django needs to execute a separate query and join in Python. Let's understand this concept with the help of example how to use this. So this is our models.py, and inside this model product model, as you see we have a category and vendor. We have so many fields, but the category and vendor are especially has a foreign key. The category field has a foreign key with the category, this category model, as well as the foreign key with user. So for the category and vendor fields, we have foreign keys with category and user. And this product has a reverse relationship. Let me show you here. The product model has a reverse relationship review via related name reviews. So the product model has a reverse relationship with review via related name reviews. That means, so I am going to run my server, My server is running on this IP address and the port is 8000 point. As you see, I'm getting the products, and this is the my code, class based views, and the product list view. This is also a class based view. Inside this def get underscore query set, I am using reset underscore queries. This will basically clears query log before this block runs. I hope this will make sense for you. And why I am going to do this, let me show you after understand this. And after that I am going to start time.time, calculate how long this block takes, how long this block takes whenever this function will call. And after that, this is our query set. Let's understand this query set. From product model, I am going to filter is available true. As you see here, we have an is available inside our product model. Inside our here, as you see, this is our boolean type field inside our product model. So I am filtering this is available is equal to true, and then I am going to use dot select underscore related, and the foreign key is category and vendor. As you see here, these are the two fields with foreign keys with table category and user. And after that I am applying prefetch underscore related for the reverse relationship. So without select underscore related and dot prefetch underscore related, without select underscore related, understand this line, without this Django would make extra queries for each product's category and vendor. If we not use select underscore related and we use all, that time Django would make extra queries for each product's category and vendor. And without prefetch underscore related, Django would make n extra queries for each product reviews. I hope this will make sense for you. Why this is important, select underscore related and prefetch underscore related. So Django will make extra queries for each product category and vendor if we not use select related. So, and if we not use prefetch underscore related, Django would make n extra queries for each product's reviews. Now it's just 3 queries, no matter how many products. I hope this will make sense for you. These are just 3 queries, no matter how many products we are fetching on the base of is available true. So users visits this page, the product list page. That time Django will call product list view. When Django calls this product list view, the get underscore query set is triggered. After that, this will fetch all available products, use select underscore related to join category and vendor in one query, and use prefetch underscore related to fetch all reviews in one extra query. No complex, simple and straightforward. This get underscore query set is triggered. This will fetch all available products on the base of this field is available equal to true, means how many products we have in DB which is available. Fetch all these products. So fetch all available products, then use on the select underscore related. This select underscore related basically is joining the category and vendor in one query, and then dot prefetch underscore related to fetch all the reviews in one extra query. So all results of this query finally I am going to pass to my template. Let me show you the query set. Here I am going to pass all the data to return this. This list query set basically forces Django to execute the query immediately, and then connection.queries. This will show you logs all SQL statement run during the view, and then I am going to print all these logs. Let me show you in terminal. If you run just this query, this will fetch these odd data, and if you want to fetch this query, this will just get you the targeted data which we need. So this is the beauty of using select underscore related, and this will definitely save our time to show products to the user in very fast way. And this is taken 0.01 second to fetch all the data of products. Let me I update the code of my example to understand you more deeply this. So I'm using the unoptimized query, just straightforward with product.object.filter is available true. This is our unoptimized query, and how many time this unoptimized query will take, I am going to calculate this, and then I am going to use optimized query which we see earlier. So I am going to calculate the time of this query as well, and now I am going to compare the time between these two queries, how many time this will take to clear these all concept, why we use this instead of straightforward filter. If I refresh this, as you see in terminal, I am getting for query unoptimized queries take time 0.00 second, and the optimized query will take 0.0 second. Why this? Because I have only one product in my DB, that's why I am getting the same time. If we have so many products, that time this query definitely differentiate the time. As you see in our products page, we have only one product. As you see here, we have only one product. Let me add some dummy data here. With the help of python manage.py.shell, I add other products for these are the dummy products, just to show you the differentiate of these queries. And if I refresh this, you will see I'm getting more products. Guys, I updated my example because we have less data in DB, so I updated my example to understand you more uh, clear. For product in query one product category dot name. I am getting the category of name and the username from vendor, and this is my unoptimized query. This is my unoptimized query, and at the end I am going to print how many queries run for this unoptimized as well as the time start and end for this unoptimized. Then I am going to use my optimized query with the help of select underscore related and prefetch underscore related, and then I am going to print the time taken for this. Let me show you. Now I am going to refresh this. This will fetch all the products inside terminal. As you see, the unoptimized query 34 queries run, and this takes 0.0222 seconds, and for the optimized queries only two queries run, and this will take 0.0045 seconds. So this is the beauty, and I only want to understand you this why we need this. Use this in your real apps to save the time of user as well as optimize the query performance. I hope this will make sense for you. If any doubt till now, please comment it. I am here to understand you each and everything related Django, Fast API, Flask, machine learning and AI. So in this session we understand what is the difference between select underscore related and prefetch underscore related. Select underscore related is used for single valued relationship like foreign key and does joins, and prefetch underscore related is used for multi-valued or reversed relationship and does separate queries. Here question arises, when should we use select underscore related? When you need to access foreign key fields like vendor or category to avoid extra queries. And can we use both together? Yes, we use it in our example. We use select underscore related for category and vendor and prefetch underscore related for reviews. And here question arises, what happens if I don't use them? Django will do one query per related object. This leads to the n+1 query problem, which slows down performance. What happens if I don't use them? Django will do one query per related object. This leads to the n+1 query problem, which slows down the performance. So select underscore related for one-to-one and foreign key single join. The prefetch underscore related reverse foreign key many-to-many relationship separate query plus Python join. So these two are great for optimizing template loops, essential for large datasets. Save your AI for performance analysis. Thanks for watching.